Hello friends. Hope you are doing great. A warm welcome to all the food lovers from HealthyFit. Before starting today's topic, would request you to subscribe to the channel to see the latest videos and hit the bell icon to receive an update when a video gets uploaded on the channel. After the long and torrid summer months, monsoons bring the much needed respite in the form of heavy downpour. The weather gets exceptionally cool and the browns give way to various shades of green. India has a tropical climate, making the monsoons even more magical and intense. But with all the beauty that accompanies the monsoons, the season also ushers in various ailments and triggers the spread of diseases. Your general health and immunity can take a beating during this season. To stay healthy throughout the rainy season, here are 5 things that you should take care of. 1. Maintain a healthy diet. Paying special attention to your diet during monsoons is essential if you want to remain healthy. Your metabolism may need a slight nudge in the form of lighter foods. Adding seasonal fruits and vegetables to your diet is a good idea, however, ensure they are all washed properly before consumption. This can prevent you from contracting waterborne diseases that spread during this season. To avoid getting seasonal allergies, infections, viral fever and more, stay away from eating unhygienic street food. Instead, consume more home-cooked meals and opt for hot beverages over cold ones. 2. Exercise regularly and stay fit. While the rains can clog running tracks, walking pathways and all outdoor spaces in general, it should not stop you from getting your daily dose of exercise. If you can't hit the gym, make sure you do some light exercise or little yoga and stretching at home. Aching bones and creaking joints tend to get worse during the monsoons, and conditions like arthritis, sciatica and rheumatism become more prevalent. Regularly exercising your joints and muscles can ensure that they stay lubricated and strong, and prevent unnecessary pain. Additionally, exercise helps boost immunity, which can help you fight illnesses. 3. Drink clean and pure water. Diseases like cholera and diarrhea are quite rampant during this time of the year, and these diseases spread through water. Therefore, it is extremely important that you drink clean drinking water. Ensure that the water you drink is filtered or boiled. Avoid drinking water from unknown places. If you are traveling, carry your own water bottle or buy purified bottled water. Additionally, avoid drinking juices or other liquids from roadside vendors as it could be risky. 4. Ensure your surroundings are hygienic. Whether at home or work, ensure your surroundings are clean and free of mosquitoes and other insects. There are various repellents that you can choose from to help here. For instance, liquid vaporizers or electric plug-ins are great for using indoors, while mosquito coils and cards are better suited for using in gardens, balconies and other outdoor spaces. You can also opt for insect repellent sprays to protect yourself from pesky flies and other insects while stepping out. In addition to this, make sure that your surroundings are free from garbage and stagnant water. 5. Avoid food outside. Outside food is the main culprit in many waterborne diseases and food poisoning cases seen in the hospitals nationwide. Food prepared in the open comes in contact with various infective agents. Some foods are prepared on wet contaminated floors. There is no guarantee that the person who is preparing the food is keeping the hygiene himself. So it is better to avoid outside food as much as possible in this season. Prepare warm food at home and don't forget to drink plenty of water. Because of change of weather from summer to rainy, many people don't feel like drinking water. But you should drink at least 10 to 14 glasses per day to avoid problems like urinary infections and constipation. Hey, if you liked the video, then please hit the subscribe button to watch more videos like this and hit the bell icon to get the latest notification from this channel. Share with your friends to spread the message. It will help them to take the right decision. Thank you for watching. Be healthy, be fit.